What is harder for you, starting or staying consistent? Gym for you is me time or या फिर discipline time?
My mother pushes me.
I would say definitely you feel motivated because you see your mother. It's been a quite long. She has been a regular to the gym.
It is a pressure.
I feel very guilty.
Guilty?
Yes.
What about you, Arish? वेलकम टू अनदर जिम पॉडकास्ट। तो आज हम संडे की सुबह बानेर के गोल्ड में आए हैं। तो आज जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट है, ना कोई एथलीट है ना ही कोई ट्रेनर है। पहली बार हम मेंटी के बारे में या फिर मेंटी के क्या विचार होते हैं, ये सब बारे में हम बात करेंगे। और आज संडे को ये यहाँ पे क्या करने आए हैं वो भी पूछेंगे उनको। लेट्स सी, यू चूज जिम इंस्टेड ऑफ बेड, इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग अ काउच पोटैटो या फिर पार्टिंग। तो संडे को यहाँ पे आए हो, क्यों?
Because I wanted to finish my weekly goal of workout, which is at least 3 to 4 times a week, and I don't like to miss that.
I think because I wanted to do something else besides just stay in the bed for one Sunday.
Okay.
So today I came to the gym.
Okay. Second question is, gym for you is me time or या फिर discipline time?
Discipline time.
For you, Arush?
No, it's discipline time.
Discipline and me time sometime?
No.
No? All right. Okay. So third question is, on the low energy days, what pushes you to show up?
My fitness goal, my energy, stamina.
Arush, you?
My mother pushes me.
I knew that. Has fitness changed only your body or also in self-confidence or mindset?
Oh, totally. Self-confidence, mindset. It really helps me a lot.
Okay. Arush, you?
Yeah. Self-confidence.
Long to go.
Yeah.
Long to go, right?
Yeah, long to go.
Yeah. All right. Okay. What is harder for you, starting or staying consistent?
Actually, both are not hard, but it's just that I still need to work a lot on my stamina.
I think this question is for him. What is hard for you?
Staying consistent is definitely harder.
What exactly is hurdles you feel to stay consistent? Because I think a lot of audience, a lot of people are watching, उनको help हो जाएगी.
So, I think staying consistent it's harder because especially at the start maybe your body is not going to support you to sustain that much. But so I think that's why it's
And
harder.
this is the first time, like you are not 27-year-old, right? This is the first
25.
25-year-old. Okay, my bad. तो ये पहली बार पूरे 27-25 साल में आपने पहली बार वर्कआउट किया है.
Yeah,
And it's been how many months?
3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months. Okay, now second question is, if you miss a workout, what do you feel? Guilt or balance?
I feel very guilty.
Guilty?
Yes.
What about you, Arish?
I don't feel guilty,
Or
but
neither balance?
yeah, not balance also.
Okay. Actually, guys, I wanted to tell you, she is the one जिसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया था या फिर खींच के लेके आए, बोल सकते हैं.
Yes,
खींच के लेके आए थे
totally.
जिम में. अभी ही इज नॉट इनटू फिटनेस. मैं इसके बारे में बोलने की कोशिश करूंगा. नॉट इनटू फिटनेस या फिर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि बस चल रहा है तो करना है तो करना है, बट कंसिस्टेंट इनफ. ही इज कंसिस्टेंट इनफ, आई थिंक, मुझे लगता है. ओके, आरुष, फॉर यू ओनली, यू कम टू द जिम बट यू आर नॉट इनटू फिटनेस. एक्सप्लोर करने या फिर बस ऐसे ही करना है? ऐसे
No, I would like to explore.
एक्सप्लोर.
Yeah, but I think in my own way I have to do it.
Okay, like whenever you feel like to do.
I think not like typical gym person, but I in my own way little bit will have to do it.
I think this question is also for you.
No, I mean, we started like over a year ago, and I started with that whole goal that what I was doing earlier is definitely not enough, and I need to up my game considering my age, and I have to level up with my muscle mass, etc. So
Amazing.
that keeps me going.
Amazing. Arush, for you is when you train, it is a pressure or choice? This is very important question because I have seen you.
On the
Honest.
day, I don't feel like it is a pressure.
Okay, now he is getting there now. He is getting
Uh,
there. Okay, yeah.
like- If
Or
I,
pressure from mom.
yeah, or,
Especially on the weekends.
yeah, or like if I feel like okay, today I have a good energy, then it's a choice.
Okay, and this is also for you only. What do you like more, results or just moving body?
No result.
Result,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Perfect, amazing. Ma'am, do you feel fitness is very important later now in life?
Of course.
Why?
That is going to help you maintain your health for the rest of your life. And I definitely want the rest of my life to be the best of my life. So,
Arush, about you now. Why is important the fitness these days?
I think for me, because I work like extended 8 to 12 hours long hours, so for me just to have something that keeps me fit or allows me to keep my weight under control, especially because that was something I noticed after 2 years of continuous working long hours. So that was mainly the
Amazing. और मुझे एक और चीज पूछनी है कि मैंने देखा है, I have seen you guys. I think her is actually today is working, still working,
yes,
right?
I'm working today.
So both are having very stressful life, job life, I would say, work life. तो दोनों को कितना हेल्प होता है इक्वली? इफ यू कैन डिस्क्राइब लाइक इन बिटवीन 1 to 10, अगर आपको स्ट्रेस रिड्यूस करने में फिटनेस की हेल्प होती है तो कितना होता है और कैसे
For
होता
me, definitely 9 or
9?
10.
है? Amazing. You?
for me I'd say around 6 7.
6 7.
Yeah.
And how you manage remaining?
I don't manage.
I just take.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, second is gym feels like fun or routine confusion right now.
For me, it's a mix of fun and routine because
अभी
I'm
confusion नहीं है दोनों
no,
को.
no confusion.
Arush, you were confused.
Yeah.
चल क्या रहा है because you were not understanding कि body क्या respond करेगी या फिर pain and all of things, right? No, but I think it's getting there, right?
Yeah.
I know, guys. He is just being honest. आपने पहले सुना होगा कि he is answering कि हाँ नहीं, I'm into not fitness, और मुझे लगता है जरूरी भी नहीं है because these guys are normal population. नॉर्मल पॉपुलेशन एज इन कि कोई एथलीट नहीं है, कोई प्रोफेशनल नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. मैं यही बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. जनरली मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे एथलीट लोग आते हैं, उनकी स्टोरीज होती है, क्या अचीवमेंट किया उन्होंने, क्या सारी चीजें की. बट इनके साथ मुझे जानबूझ के करना था बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स बीन 1 year and you are 8 months, right?
4 5.
Yes.
Oh, no, he's more than that, I think.
1
Is
year
it
he
me?
was doing online with you.
Online, that's
Yeah.
the reason. Yeah. So okay, so at the last, rate for my trainings.
No,
Yeah.
definitely 10 on 10. I don't think I could have got a better trainer than you. And I'm not saying it to please you or anything, but you're a good mix of being firm and fun.
Arush, honest.
Yeah, honest, I think for me also 10. Yeah.
Okay, now this is combined question, two questions, and after this, we will go and train because बहुत ठंड लग रही है ना? Not able to talk actually. ठीक है. So training together
Yeah.
does motivate or challenge you more?
For me, it is a little challenging because I am against my son and I have to kind of, level up.
Level up. How about you, Arush? I would say definitely you feel motivated because you see your mother. It's been a quite long. She has been a regular to the gym.
Yeah, I think so. Motivation. Yeah, definitely.
Or you want to say anything else?
No, no.
Too much pressure.
No.
Okay, last. Sunday gym, habit bonding time or self-respect? सच बताना ये.
Self-respect.
सच में? Arush?
Yeah, I think more self-respect.
Amazing guys. So look, ऐसा नहीं कि फोर्सफुली कोई आंसर करने के लिए बोला है या फिर मैं भी ये सारी चीजें इसलिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये हम रोज बात करते हैं. तो मैंने एक दिन सोचा कि यार मैं लोगों के साथ बहुत शूट करता हूँ, मेरे कलीग्स, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे जो भी एथलीट जो जान पहचान वाले हैं उनके साथ, बट मैंने ना कभी मेरे क्लाइंट के साथ ट्रेन नहीं किया या फिर उनके साथ एक कोई वन ऑन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं किया ऑन कैमरा. और मुझे लगता है कि जो भी लोग पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, कोचेस है, उनको बहुत हेल्प होगी. बैक पुश योर लेग इनटू द फ्लोर, slow and control, push Perfect. Keep going. Push easy. Come on, one more. All right, that's it. Relax. Go forward. 4, lovely like that. Come on. 5, very good. Straight up. Same in the line. 6, perfect. 7, take it more down. 8, easy. Go. 9, perfect. Keep going. 10, lovely. Let's go. 1, easy. Control. And 2, relax. So hygiene and everything is good actually. Let's go. Buddy, you got this up. Push up. 1, amazing there. So 2, lovely. 3, good. Come on up. 4, easy. Come on up. 5, very good. Go more. Lift 6, all yours. Come on. 7, very good. Go more up. Lift 8, easy. Come on. 9, one more. Let's go. And 10, relax. Amazing. I'm here. Push, perfect. I'm here. Come on up, 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 up. Push, perfect. Keep going. That's it. It's amazing. Arush, 25, last set. Push up. 1, perfect. 2, easy. 3, good. 4, 5, come on. 6, very good. Come on. 7, easy. Let's go up. 8, perfect. 9, very good. Go more. 10, easy. Come on. And that, relax. Okay. One more. Come on up. Easy. Shoulder khali toe. Let's go up. Perfect. Keep going. All right. Okay. Keep going, guys. Let's go more. Perfect. Come on. Lift, 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 lift. Perfect. Focus on the shoulder. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. That's it. You keep going, Arush. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do not. Still. Very good. Bas. Slow and control. Perfect. Perfect. Come on. Full range. Let's go easy. Come on. Slow, control, grip tight. Perfect. Hold tight down there. Come on. Take it down all the way. Easy. Come on. Push. Perfect. Come on. Do. Other next. Let's go. And that's it. Yeah. Let's go. Pivot it up. Increase the distance. And push up. Push, unlock that one too. And slow and control. Hold tight. 1, perfect. Slowly. Hold tight. 2, amazing. Come on. Let's go. Push. 3. Push your foot on. Perfect. Up. Perfect. Keep going. Easy. Amazing. Come on. Very good. Go more. Perfect. Push. Very good. Go. Easy. Keep going. Let. Slowly control. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. 4, let's go up. 5, come on up. And all right, Arush. 1, perfect, amazing. 2, lovely. Let's go. 3, perfect. Let's go. 4, perfect. 5, easy. Come on. 6, very good. Go. 7, easy. Up. 8, good. Go. Up. 9, last. Let's go up. And 10, that's it. Because अभी these days I think parents are little confused कि बच्चों को जिम लगवाना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. तो आपने क्या सोचा था इसके बारे में कि इसको आपने पुश किया because he was not ready to come to the gym, right?
So I think parents are role models. The children, they will obviously observe the parents and follow. And you have to set an example. And I feel it's the earlier they start, the better it is. Like I realized it a little later in life and I regret because I lost out on all those years. Had I started earlier, maybe I would have been in a better position today.
But you
But
started.
better late than never. But I think parents have to push their children a little bit because in today's day and age, they're only into gadgets and screen and social media. So yeah, that should be there. But at the same time, you can definitely take out 1 hour in a day.
Arush, I want to ask you one thing. I know आपने पहले के क्वेश्चन के कुछ सवाल के जवाब ऐसे दिए मुझे कि नहीं है फिटनेस, बट मैं बोलूंगा कि जरूरी भी नहीं है। यू नो, नॉट एवरीवन शुड की बहुत पागल जा हो जाए, ऐसे क्रेजी हो जाए। मुझे लगता है ही इज एट द राइट प्लेस। तो कहाँ पे देखते हो अगले 5 सालों में, या फिर वो फीलिंग, या फिर बॉडी के हिसाब से, रिजल्ट्स के हिसाब से, कुछ भी? या व्हाट वाज दैट वन थॉट जब मम्मी ने बोला कि जिम ज्वाइन कर?
No one thought as such. I think just in general to be in a healthier place, because I think one wake up call for me was at the start of this year in Jan, when I went for a trek and I couldn't trek till the top. I had to stop in the middle and come back.
मैं
So after that, it was my goal कि next year when we go, that in Jan I have to go.
now you are confident that you will be doing?
Yeah.
Amazing. So I think this is a very good example, guys. और मुझे आप लोगों को बोलना है, जो भी इतने भी teenagers है, पेरेंट्स है, सब लोग जो भी है, फिटनेस सिर्फ मूविंग वेट अराउंड या फिर सिर्फ मसल गेन फैट लॉस का नहीं होता है। लुक एट दिस गाइज, मतलब सी दे आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ऐसा नहीं कि गोल लेस बोल सकते हैं या क्लू लेस कर रहे हैं या ब्लाइंडली फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। दे नो देयर गोल। भाई ऐसी लाइफ है, इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल है सारी जिंदगी। मुझे आना है जिम में, वर्कआउट करना है, मेरा रूटीन फॉलो करना है। मे बी व्हाट आई विल टेल यू नाउ, आई थिंक ओवर द टाइम when they will get into the fitness, because ये आदत है, जब आगे चल के क्या पता, you never know। मेरे कितने सारे clients थे पिछले वाले जो they are now coach in the fitness, so I think this is a very good example and just keep going guys। Thank you so much to come on my show। Thank you आरुष। संडे के लिए भाई यार तुम लोग मर जाओ। संडे को पता है, मैं पहली बार एक्चुअली आई एम फीलिंग हैप्पी एंड प्राउड ऑफ देम कि संडेज को इन्होंने फोन किया कि आई वांट टू ट्रेन विथ यू, और फिर मैंने बोला यार सिर्फ वर्कआउट क्यों करना है, सो लेट्स डू पॉडकास्ट। अमेजिंग है, चीयर्स। ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर टुडे। लास्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू, दैट विल बी अ calf raises and we are done for the day।